How do you delete your account bio history on Instagram? Yes, you heard that right. Instagram now lets you manage or completely erase your bio history. And we're here to walk you through the steps. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your Instagram account. Once you're in, head over to your profile and then click on three horizontal lines. Here you can find various options. Click on your activity and scroll down a little bit and you will find your account history. Click on it. You can find all the bios you've changed since the beginning of your account. This information is private and only you would be available to view your bio that you've kept previously. Other people won't have access to this data. But however, there is no option of deleting this individual bio histories even if you tap on the bios individually. It's going to only take you to the current bio. So that was the video. I hope you find this video helpful.